6:40 to kind of make it to school on time. This is today's outfit. So I'm wearing like this Cal university sweater, and I'm just wearing black leggings and my black Nike Roches. So that's today's outfit. I just got out of school. Now I'm going home. I just got out of school. Wait, you can't even see it. Hold on. I think you could hear the bell though.
Oh, okay. Órale pues, entonces.
I just got out of school. It's 1:08. I didn't really vlog with my classes because they're more independent classes, so I just sit there and do my work, so there's not really much to vlog in there, and plus I feel really awkward out vlogging at school. You can see my building right here. Look, right there. I'm back home. Well, I've been home. It's 6:53. I get out at 1. Like I said, I have only 4 classes a day, and I'm currently doing homework, and I hate it. I have to do an annotated bibliography for English on a word named curve. So I'm gonna finish doing my research and whatnot. I think that's gonna be it for today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I mean, it's boring. Like, I don't really vlog in my classes. It's just today was mainly study holiday. But that's it for this week's video. I know I haven't uploaded in 2 weeks, I think.